In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App not verifying your identity. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if you're facing any trouble verifying your Cash App identity, several reasons could be at play. So some common reasons are incorrect or incomplete information. So you want to ensure you've entered your full legal name, date of birth, and at least for the last four digits of your SSN accurately. Also, just double check for any typos or errors in the information you provided. Another reason is unaccepted forms of identification. So Cash App only accepts unexpired government issued photo IDs for additional verification steps. So other forms of identification like student IDs or utility bills might not be accepted. Another reason is technical issues. So, technical glitches within the app or on your device can hinder the verification process. So, what you want to do is to try restarting the app and your device, or simply updating the Cash App to the latest version to see if that resolves the issue. So, what you want to do if the verification fails, so just simply review your information. Check if you have outstanding steps in the verification process, like uploading a photo ID, or simply contact Cash App support if the issue persists. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.